Hey guys. Okay, so today we're gonna try canning cheesecake, cherry cheesecake. We're gonna be canning them into these jars. And I've remembered to start the camera on time this time. So right now we've got about half a package of honey graham crackers. The recipe does not give it in weight. It says a sleeve, and I could not find a sleeve of graham crackers. And we are about to melt down 1/4 of a cup of butter. It says 1 stick of butter, so I figure that's about 1/4 of a cup. And 2 tablespoons of sugar will also go in there with some cinnamon, and we'll mix it all up. And we will likely layer it into these. Okay, so that's the crust. Okay, so again, that's cinnamon to taste, a sleeve of graham crackers, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of melted butter. All right. Okay, guys, we're back. So we've mixed this all in. My helper, who's not on camera, has mixed this all in. And this is kind of what it looks like. It's dark brown, and the recipe actually says just to put a little bit in the bottom of each jar. However, we are going to layer it because, well, who wants to, dig through all the good stuff just to get to this? So we're going to layer it a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I have this little dough one. It's a small one. I don't know. It does actually have a size. I just cannot remember it. If you can remember it, you can put it in the comments, okay? But we're just going to go like this, and I'm just going to show you guys. We will put that in there, and then we're just going to pack it down a little bit, just so that maybe that's not going to work. We might have to add just a little bit more. I do have a bigger one, but I don't want to use a lot because we're going to be layering it. So there we go. Okay, so yeah, I guess 2 of those little ones per jar. Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we'll be right back. Hey guys, okay, so we've got them all in the jars, and again, another change. We decided not to do the layers, and we just did the bottom. So let's see if we can, just give me 1 sec, I'll come right back. Okay, so that's what they look like. It's 2 scoops of graham crumb with the butter and cinnamon, and they smell actually quite good. Okay, so we just eyeballed it because we didn't have sleeves here. So the next step is to I believe put them in the oven, but I will come back and confirm that. Okay guys, so now I've put all the jars, I've put them in a roasting pan because of how many I'm doing at once, and I want to do it at once. And what I'm going to do now is boil some water, which later I'm going to pour into here, down the sides there, so it's not into the rims obviously. And while the water is boiling, I'm going to make the filling. Now, the filling, it has cream cheese, eggs, sour cream, flour, cornstarch, vanilla, lemon juice, and obviously on the top we will put topping, fruit. Now, I don't know if I have enough fruit for all of them because originally I was just going to make 9, and now I'm making 12. So there may be 3 with no topping, but that's okay because we can always add topping when we open it up later. Hey guys, okay, I'm back. Okay, so we've got all of our filling in the bowl. We did use sour cream, and we have the glasses heating up now in boiling hot water. They will go into the oven at 350 to bake as soon as I get the filling in there. All right, so we will come back with another picture just before we put it in. Okay, so close, but so far. So we have, that's what they look like, okay, right now. And then they're going to go in the oven. They're gonna go in the oven for about 30 minutes, kind of until the tops get like fluffy with kind of like a slight crack in it kind of deal. So they tell me. And then we're going to, but those last 10 minutes, so it's gonna go in for 20 minutes. Then we're gonna pull it out, we're gonna put the topping on it, and then we're gonna put it back in for the last 10, okay? And then we're gonna pull it out. I'm gonna put the lids on it, and then we're gonna put them back in for 10 more minutes to seal them. So hopefully this turns out. We will see. Hey guys. Okay, so it's just come out, or no, the buzzer is just rung. Sorry, I'm just gonna take them out and then I will show you what they look like, and then we'll put the fillings in. This is very interesting. I have to turn this around now. Okay, so there they are. They're all cooked up. So now I'm going to put the lids on and then put them back in the oven for 10 minutes. Oh, I gotta put the filling in first. Okay, so the buzzer's just gone off. We're gonna take them out and they're ready to come out and cool down. I need to get my cutting board first. And then I'll show you guys what they look like. These turn out because I won't lie, they are quite a bit of work, but so here is one. Gosh, you can't really see the cherry stuff. The cherries are heavy, so as soon as I put them in, they kind of slip to the bottom. See, apparently they should last about a year in the cupboard, provided that they all seal. So I will be listening